This is dressing on top. Let me explain about this. And broccoli.
Today's video is how to make Japanese waffle dressing.
Konnichiwa everyone, I'm Chef Keita. Today I'm gonna show you how to make waffle dressing. I think you know this is the second time and I show you how to make waffle dressing. But first one is and with oil and some vegetables. It takes but still 5 minutes and healthy delicious waffle dressing I show you before. But today I wanna show you how to make more healthy, more easy waffle dressing. Very simple one. And I always make some dressing at home and I keep in my fridge. But sometimes all run out like today. And so I don't have any dressing at home. And then I make this healthy, non-oil waffle dressing at home. It's very quick. You don't need to chopping board and knife and any veggies. Just combine ingredients together in a bowl and mix and put on your favorite salad. Before cooking, please subscribe. In my channel, I show you how to make a Japanese home cooking dish that is easy, simple, and delicious. This 3 is my keyword, okay? Let's get started!
The ingredients, it's only those things. Rice vinegar, soy sauce, mirin, and sugar, but this is a raw sugar. And this is the garlic. And I always make fresh garlic and make like this and easy to use. Okay, it's a one time. I make like this once a week. Okay, and sesame, white sesame, this is the extra. Only these 3. If you are Japanese cooking lovers, and I think you have this 1, 2, 3, and rice vinegar, soy sauce, and mirin you have at home. And let me explain about this rice vinegar. The Mitsukan brand is the most biggest company in Japan, but you can use rice vinegar whatever you want. But just I introduce this is the best rice vinegar. Okay, and kikoman, soy sauce, and mirin. Okay, let's make dressing. First is soy sauce and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. And next is mirin, 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Okay. And sugar. Half tablespoon. Next is garlic. Just half teaspoon, not tablespoon, half teaspoon. And mix. Sorry. And sesame, about nice amount. This is just extra. That. This is a dressing, but you know in the bottom there is some sugar, and mirin has a little bit low percentage of alcohol. That's why I make it. That's why. So I put dressing here and 30 seconds, and the ends vinegar, 2 tablespoons vinegar, rice vinegar. There you go, and mix it.
So this is the dressing. Let's have a taste. Delicious. Just I combine the ingredients in the bowl, and very simple but delicious. So I wanna try this dressing with simple salt.
So in my fridge I have these 3 veggies, so let's make simple salad. This. Cut very thin. Cut very thin. This. Sorry, only leftover veggies. How is this plate? Cute, eh? Okay, let's make some small salad and my favorite dish. I have some lettuce, red cabbage, and carrot, and broccoli. Okay, that's cute. This is dressing on top. That's it. That's it.
Let's have a taste. いただきます。It's not a big difference with some Japanese waffle dressing product in supermarket. Nice soy sauce based dressing with rice vinegar and little bit sweet with sugar. The point is little bit garlic. I like it. But this is easy and quick recipe. When you cook Japanese food at home for your family or friends, please make this dressing as well. Trust me, very easy and delicious. If you wanna make more restaurant quality waffle dressing, please check my another video. I put URL on my description. Please check the video. Okay? See you in another video. Bye!